Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be talking to you about marketing and mass media, specifically the mediums of digital versus print when it comes to marketing and advertising. Mass media has always played a role in the minds of marketers and those in advertising. We want to reach as many people as possible. And in this new age, the question arises, is print irrelevant? Is it dead? Or is digital more effective in the minds of the consumer? With print marketing, such as magazines and billboards and newspapers, we are able to get a lot going. You have a lot of options for your different ads, such as size and the different paper, the appearance of it. It's all very open to you. You're also able to reach a targeted audience. Depending on the newspapers or magazines that you have, you're able to adjust your ads accordingly. With digital marketing, there are a lot of the same benefits. In social media and television, you're able to target a very specific audience with those different programs that you are aligning yourself with. There are also a lot of exposure benefits. People are watching TV and on social media and the internet very regularly, and so you're able to get repeated exposure with that. The cost production is also relatively cheaper. You don't have to pay to have so many things printed. You just have to pay one thing to have them run your ad. Marketing to millennials these days isn't as difficult as people would like to think. When it comes to millennials, the medium doesn't really matter to them. All they want is the information. They will get information from word of mouth, internet, and print. They love to get their information from wherever they can. Data mining is a really big tool that marketing companies use to find the information that will help them in the best way to go about with their ads. Data mining is a tool that companies use to analyze groups of people and what their interests and trends are. They're able to look at the things that you look up or the things that you are interested in, and then they predict what they can do to advertise to you specifically in the future. This helps them to predict accurately, as well as lowering the cost for themselves. There is, however, at times a privacy and security issue in the mind of the consumer for this. Here we have a chart of the different main source of news by age group of where people are getting their news source, whether it's online, social media, print, or television. And as you can see, even the social media isn't doing too hot there, and neither is the print, but it's television and online that we get a lot of our information. So based on that, in my opinion, both print and digital are great mediums with which to get your advertisements across to the general public. There isn't one that is really higher than the other. They both have their uses. Thanks for watching.